Hey everyone, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. Today I just wanted to do a really quick video regarding image optimization with the ShortPixel Adaptive Images plugin. Specifically, I wanted to show their wizard that a lot of people don't know about. It's a really quick and easy way to determine the optimal settings for your key pages, like your home page, your explore page, single listings, that sort of thing. So I just wanted to show that to everyone. Real quickly, a bit of housekeeping like we normally do. Under Resources Guides, you do a search for image optimization. You'll find this guide that's been written. This guide, right before this video, I just finished overhauling this guide, and it walks you through my listing image governance, about how to limit the file size, why you should. Talks about the ShortPixel Adaptive Images plugin, walks through the deal that we have. So you get bonus credits from ShortPixel if you use our code and whatnot, and that's for members only. So then after the configuration, I've also merged our case study that was done in a separate post, and it just wasn't getting the eyeballs that I thought it would, and I think that's my fault. I think it was buried in the post grid. So instead, I brought it over to this guide because I think it just makes more sense being in here. But it's just a really comprehensive look at how the optimization of this plugin really works with my listing. So anyway, check this out, and then once this video is done, I will post it to this guide as well. This guide is free for everybody, so hope you enjoy it. Let's check out our starter site 3 for demonstrating the wizard here. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard, and if we pull up our settings for ShortPixel, we're met with this opening screen, and again, we're not going to go through everything here, but as I say in the guide, the default settings are just fine unless you find a really good reason to change them. An example of that is a photography website where you need the images to be as close to the originals as possible. That might be one instance where you would come in here and change that to maybe change this to lossless. Okay, so we'll skip all these settings for now. There's really not much to talk about for this. So to kick off our guide, you'll see right up here in the toolbar, we've got the AI setup. So if we click that, and we click this little button right here, it's going to take us to our home page. ShortPixel is going to do its thing. And I've already done this before for the starter sites, so they should already be set. But this just tells you, like, hey, let's set this. And let's set this. And then once you do, you just reload the page and you look and you see if there's anything wrong with your images. And if there's not, move on to your next key page. So your next key page, for example, would be your explore page. Okay, same thing. It's going to give you recommendations on what to do. Check, see it, make sure everything's working. Just rinse and repeat. So home page is one we recommend. Explore page, if you have multiple explore pages, you only need to do one unless they're just really crazy different as far as the way that they're built. So typically you just need to do one explore page. You can do your store. As we see, that was already done here. Let's go back to the home. The MyListing dashboard, that all looks good. What else? Maybe let's check out the footer, see what's in here. Yeah, you can go through your privacy policies and stuff. I mean, it's too easy not to do it, so that looks good. So since we've done our home page and whatnot, typically these other internal pages are going to be optimized just fine. but it really can depend on, you know, how you build these pages, what plugins you use, of those plugins, which widgets did you use, all that good stuff. I'm just going to click off of this for now, and we'll come back. I think something got hung up. So let's do listing 101. There we go. We see that we're fine. Let's come back to that again. Something's getting hung up on that page. Yeah, and just let it finish. All right, now it's done. All right, so everything looks good. Like I said, I've already done all this. You can do the support page. Typically, you don't. Once you do the home page, you don't have to do these main types of pages. Let's do our blog. That could be different. That looks fine. Let's do a post. That looks fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Pretty much covered everything. So what that does is it just feeds all of that back to. If we click done here, it takes us back to our settings. So what that does is it just feeds everything back to this area, and it just does a consensus of all your pages and posts, and it's like, hey, this is what you need, this is what you don't need, and it's kind of magical, really. But anyway, really cool stuff. Just wanted to show you that today, and I hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye bye.